Hi, this is Clay again from Lake Charles Toyota, and I'm here once again with Jessica. Say hi, Jessica.
Hi.
Hi, we wanted to change the pace a little bit and not actually talk about a feature in the vehicle, but something that you get with it, and it has to do with our service department. So go ahead, Jessica.
So what we're going to cover today is actually a program called ToyotaCare. It is a complimentary maintenance program that comes on all of our new vehicles. It is offered by any dealership in the country, and any dealership in the country will actually honor it. It covers all your regular maintenances for the first 2 years, 25,000 miles, whichever one comes first. When you come in to get your maintenance done, it's actually going to cover your oil change, your tire rotation, your multi-point inspection, and as well as a fluid top-off. Some dealerships offer an extended program with this. Some dealerships are awesome enough to offer lifetime oil changes to their customers. So if you're, depending on where you need to buy your vehicle, you kind of have an idea where you need to go. But if you guys ever have any questions or anything like that about ToyotaCare or anything else, by all means, give us an email or a call and we'll try and cover it.
Thanks for watching.